Hey everyone, the camera's gonna die again, but I'm gonna quickly do my makeup because I'm gonna meet my best friend soon. And yeah, so it's gonna be like a chit chat thing. Hopefully my camera doesn't die. My makeup's in here. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, well I'm gonna start with moisturizer. Shit, where's my moisturizer? Ugh. Oh god, I wasn't prepared. Okay, I found the moisturizer. I used the same one I did like a couple years back. Don't mind my finger, don't look at my nails. I have sunburn on my I don't know why I'm making those noises. I have sunburn on my nose. It doesn't hurt, but it's just like red. My mirror is the thing on the camera. I'm like on my knees. Oh my god, this camera's gonna die. Ooh, new challenge. I already kind of did my eyebrows. Ooh, okay, cool. And that's it. I'm just joking. Oh, why wasn't I prepared? Usually I use concealer and stuff, but I don't think the concealer, well maybe it will. I was gonna say I don't think the concealer is gonna like match my skin, but then again concealer isn't meant to match your skin, so it probably will. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna use Kylie because I can't really see it. I know this is like a peach palette and I'm just gonna use the light brown and stuff. I don't know how good this palette is. I don't think I want to. Okay, I'm just gonna use this color here just to please just focus quick. This one here to go ahead and just like define my crease a little bit, because or just to put all over my eyelids, because I don't know. It's just to give my eyes something. I don't know what, but at least something. And I'm not a makeup artist. I honestly don't know what I'm doing half the time. I'm not even just with makeup, just in my life. This is dirty, so I'm gonna use that. This is also kind of dirty, but it doesn't have pink on it, so it's fine. My best friend, she's at work right now, but she's probably still gonna look better than me because she's just pretty. Unfair. What am I doing? I'm gonna just drag it underneath a bit. Not so it's like I have like a bruised eye, but like something. I don't know, just do something to make you look like you're zen. Next, I'm not gonna really. I'm gonna use my phone now because my camera died. I hope the footage stayed. If not, I just did my eyes. I did pretty much nothing to it. But I'm gonna use concealer just for my nose because it's very red. It looks like it's bleeding, but it's not. It's just red because I picked it. It's not bleeding, don't worry. See, I look so much uglier on this camera. My phone's weak. So I just do it here. I'm gonna use my finger because I mean, can't be bothered. I'm so sad the camera died. I look so good in that camera. Probably didn't. Oh shit, I think I put too much. Where's my mirror? My broken orange mirror. If you can see my old. Okay, you can look at. Just probably you're meant to, but my skin looks. Okay. shit, my skin just looks really dry now. Around here. Okay, I'm probably just gonna like wipe the top part here. I don't really care too much. I don't care. I just need it to like not make my skin. I should just use powder, man. And tap in. Tap, 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 tap. I don't know why I'm posting this video. Maybe YouTube, maybe Instagram. And if this is posted on YouTube, I'm sorry like I disappeared. But I just was sad. Like always. Not surprised to some of y'all, but I'm here. I'm probably gonna wipe it off my nose and change it for powder, but it's okay. I don't know how to fix my face. Anyway, I used this nude thing. There's no this I don't know. It's matte lipstick, Fawn Fancy. That's how you say it. I'll probably link everything below that I used. But who's to even say I'm gonna post this video? Whatever it is. And I like to tap it because I use another product on top of this. This is just like a thing. I'm sorry I'm not good at explaining makeup. So I'm sorry if there's any like new viewers on here and they were expecting like. So I'm gonna get my E25 brush because I'm not about that. Well, right now I'm not because I don't even have. Oh wait, maybe I do. Oh my god, I actually have an E25 brush. Oh, focus. Okay. I don't know if you can see it. It says, I promise it says E25. Wait, what way am I showing you this? Oh, it's the wrong way. Hello? I don't know if you can see. It says E25. It's dirty. But I actually have an E25 brush. It's a blending brush. Anyway. So. Put a lipstick on. Then I use this L'Oreal Paris 24-hour lipstick. And I do sometimes use this side, but I only tap it on once. A small dot, because trust me, this is pigmented, so this is gonna go everywhere. Not in like a bad way. But I don't want red lips, basically. And then I used the other side, which is meant to be the like boosting balm. Lip balm, boosting balm. That sounds so weird to say. It's meant to. I use this side, which is meant to. Hello. Which is meant to, I guess, hold the product for a long time, for more longer than it would have if I didn't use this. Basically, if that makes any sense. I don't know. And then my hair is, I don't know. I wish I could make this video better for you, but I don't know how to do that. I can't magically make everything good. I can't be the world's smartest. And this is my hair. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair. My hair's actually really greasy. Why is my scalp red? Did you just see that? My hair's actually really like. Hang on, I just want to see how it will look. Let's just say, if this was real, would it suit me? Because honestly, I can just put a hat on and be like, hey, and just scare my best best friend. I actually don't know what's in my hair. My hair, okay. I just come back from holiday. And there's like a rope behind it. Oh, I forgot the highlight. I use a fan brush still because I don't know. Where's the brush, man? Oh, it's here. And I use, please tell me I have it somewhere. Okay. Please, yay, I have it. And I've always used this one's finished. I'm probably gonna put this on my eyes as well, but I always use this one. I mix it with this one, but I'm probably gonna mix it with this one as well, just by a little bit. Oh. Okay, so this isn't a makeup tutorial, I just wanted to show you guys how I did my face somehow, and that's about it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put some, just a little bit, maybe this one mixed with like a darker one, like this one, and this one, on this brush I have. I'm just gonna put it on my inner eye, my inner corner of my eye, if that makes sense. I don't know, just watch. And then maybe like brush it a little bit. And I'm gonna use my finger. It probably looks like nothing to you guys, but to me, it's like, I'm gonna use a lighter one as well, just for the inner corner though. Just to brighten it up. There we go. And I'm gonna do the same with the other eye. And I know you can probably see like my crusty nose. I'm gonna wipe it off just at the top here because I have sunburn. And then once again, get that lighter. Let me show you what lighter one I'm using. This one here. And sorry. Oh god, I just gave you a middle finger. I meant to show you my blaster. I'm so sorry. And use it just in the inner corner like that. Just for anything that's fallen out. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing with my hair. I'm gonna figure it out. I don't know what time it is. I need to go. I'll probably record my best friend and see if she wants to be in my vlog, so you can at least see what I mean by she's so pretty. And I have to do all of this, and I still look like a troll. So my Morocco vlog is coming soon. I just wanted to post something so you guys know I'm still posting. I know I don't post like I say I do. I should, but yeah. Still pretty ugly, but it's okay. I'm done. I'm probably gonna leave my hair like this, and maybe just like carry a hairband and just tie it like in like a ponytail or something. I don't know what I'm doing. But this is the video. That's it. It's just me being me, I guess. My camera died. I'm sorry. The quality and the sound probably changed, but I will get a second battery. So. Oh, okay, now all of a sudden it wants to be, oh no, see, like, it changed again. I don't know if you can see it, like, flashing. This is what I see. Anyway, I will go. I don't know what this video is going to be called. I don't know if it'll be up on YouTube or Instagram, IG, TV thing. But yeah, my best friend probably messaged me. But I'm gonna go. Maybe you'll see her later in this video. Maybe I'll record like a day in my life video. You know what, I'm gonna do that. Okay guys, let's go. It's probably so weird. My teachers from school thinking like, oh my god, I've never seen this Milena before. Who is she?